Hello everyone, I'm Abigail. Welcome to this flow tutorial. For the last video, we did create 4 images in Nano Banana. So for this tutorial, we're going to put these 4 images into flow to create a video. So they kind of changed the layout a bit in flow. They changed it in March 2026. So let's look at this screen. We are at flow. All you have to do, the first step is to press new project. If along the way you are lost, the good thing about video is you can pause and replay it. Okay, the layout is a bit different if you noticed it. Okay, so we have to press the plus button. So we click upload images, upload image. So yesterday we kind of have like 4 different frames. So frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, and frame 4. Okay, we can open it at the same time. How do we do that? You can press 1 and press shift, hold the shift to 4, or you can press control 1, 2, 3, 4. Control is to press 1 at a time. Okay, once you highlight everything, you press open. And it will take some time to upload to flow. This is a step that previously flow doesn't have. So let's wait for a while. Okay, so we have 4 different frames, which means we have 4 different images. So we have to come here. At the bottom, we have start and end. It's going to be the same thing. We are using frames to video. So we have to press start. So we click frame 1. What we're gonna do is to do frame 1 to frame 2, frame 2 to frame 3, frame 3 to frame 4. Okay, so we start with frame 1 to frame 2 first. So we got 1 over here. Then we press 2. So we got 1 to 2, frame 1 to frame 2. What do you want to create? Okay, hold on. We need to do some settings here. Okay, we need to press video frame times 1 because we only want to have 1 images. If you generate too many, it requires you to use more credits. So if you are using the free account, of course we don't want to generate so many images. So we change this to times 1. Okay, so we got a landscape setting, which means that it's horizontal. Portrait means it's going to look like a TikTok. So we got video, frames, landscape times 1 with this fast. Okay, 3.1 fast. Okay, that's it. So our first frame, we can see this is my first frame where our little pigeon is walking on the path. So we just say, okay, cute pigeon, frise, walking on the path in the garden. So frame 1, we got this to frame 2. So cute pigeon walking on the path in the garden. And a new pink shoe, a new pair of pink shoes, appear. Let's go. Generate the first video. Okay, it will take some time to generate. And the good thing about this new flow is that we can, while it's loading, right, we can just continue to generate. So we can continue. So we click here, frame 2 to frame 3. So we don't have to keep waiting. So we have this frame 2 is this new pair of pink shoes. Then after that, the Shiba Inu joins in, right? So pigeon, frise, running happily, and his Shiba Inu friend appear and greeted him. Okay, so we send the second video. So we have 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. So now we have to do the last part, 3 to 4. So we click here, 3, click here, end, start and end, the same thing. Okay, frame 4. So Shiba Inu joins in and the ball rolls in. Both dogs are playing. Okay, so we just send this. Okay, we have 3 different videos. How do you know that this is actually image or videos? It's very easy. Okay, the thing about if this is image, right, it will just look like this. But if it's video, there is like a play button. You see that? The play button on top. Once I hover my mouse over there, then the play button will go missing. Okay, you just have to notice here. Okay, there's a play button here. Okay, so there's a play button here. It means that it's a video. And when you hover your mouse, it will start becoming a video. Yeah, so this is our first video. This is our second video. We have to wait for the third video because we have 3 videos. The 3 videos individually is frame 1 to frame 2, frame 2 to frame 3, frame 3 to frame 4. So we have 3 videos. While waiting for your video to load, you can press the pause button. Okay, alright, perfect. So if you want to preview, all you have to do is just hover your mouse. Do not click, just hover. Just put it on top. Yeah, then you can kind of see the video playing. This video looks good. How about this one? Okay, though it looks a bit awkward, why the Shiba Inu is a smaller size than the Bijo, or maybe it's a baby Shiba Inu. Yeah, okay. And this is the third one. Okay, they're playing with the ball, the colorful ball. Next, what we have to do, right, is to put it to the scenes. So how do we do that? Okay, you hover your mouse here, there's a triple dot here. 3 dots, add to scene. Okay, that's it. Okay, once it says that it's added to scene, you will see this pop up over here. So this video will be added to scene. So we have to add to scene for the second one. Okay, then we have the pop up over here. Then we can add to scene for the third one. Okay, then we have the pop up here. You can press this switch to scene builder, but if let's say this pop up disappear, like it happens right now, the scene builder, you can press it over here. Okay, the plus button beside here. So we'll be heading into the scene builder. This portion is actually the new feature. It has only just come out in March 2026. Just only. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3. This is in correct sequence. What if your video is in like incorrect sequence? Like this video is supposed to be at the front, but this is at the back or something like that. You can press here. Okay, look here, press here. This is to arrange. Okay, you can arrange it at the front or at the back. You can drag it behind, drag it in front. Okay, really up to you. But my sequence is the same. Okay, if I want, I can drag it here. See, the third video become the second video. But just now my order is correct. My video order is correct, so I'm gonna put it back. If you don't want it, you can press this button to delete. Okay, this is the delete button. But I have 3 videos which I want it to be there, so it's not an issue. You can press the play button also. Okay, but I want to press done first before I check. Okay, you hover this thing in front so you can play it right from the start. Okay, so we have 3 different videos. Good. Okay, what we have to do now is to download. Okay, the download button is over here. Okay, press download and it will start to export over here. Export is not download, export is export. So we have to wait for a while until the download comes out. Okay, we have to wait for a while it starts to load. Okay, so the video is exported. Okay, now you press download. Okay, just press once, then it will go into the download. Okay, so our download folder. So now we are here. Okay, the download is over here. So we double check. Okay, so our video is over here. Okay, so it's a very short 24 seconds video. This is just like a demo for you. In our next tutorial, we'll be creating music in Suno. I don't really like the middle music over here. So I'm going to remove the background sound and music when we piece them together. But for now, this is the final video, 24 seconds of two dogs playing in the garden. I hope that this video helps you.